Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm going to be replacing my shift boot today. As you can see that it's kind of hanging a bit and it's just ugly, and I want to match it the whole interior of the car. So I got myself it's like a carbon fiber with red stitching on it. I was going to go sway, but they were sold out of the sway, so I was like, you know what, let me just try this one real quick and see how it is. So we're going to be replacing that one with this one here, and I'll show you how to take it apart and change them out. What you want to do is you can take this off. Depending on what kind of shifter you have, little shift knob you might need to take it off to get this boot off. I don't. You can just pretty much just pull on the side here, like this. There's clips everywhere, so if you just pull down on the clips here, it'll pop right off. Just like that. See, there's clips here, there, all around. So all you gotta do is get the clips. You can get a flathead if you want, but you might leave marks here, so I wouldn't recommend it. But you can if you need to. And then basically just push it up. So after that, you want to flip it out on the inside out. So as you see, there's tabs here, and inside the tabs there's a little bit of a way to slip it off. You're gonna need a pick to kind of peel it off here, and then you can peel it all the way down like so, and then pick them off. They're gonna slide right off the boot. And basically get a pick or whatever you like and go around each corner and get each corner off, and then I'll show you the finished product after it's done. I'm kind of giving you guys an update. So this is kind of like what I've been doing, using this pick here and going around and basically just lifting up on everything. I don't want too much adhesive left. I'm gonna try and clean up a lot of this, so when I put the new one on, I'm gonna glue some of the excess onto here and clean it up. This is what we're left with after taking it all off. As you can see here on camera, there's a lot of glue here. I'm going to try and clean some of this up, but if you don't want to do this step, you can just follow the tabs here with the slits and just slowly place a new one over, and then you'll be done. But I'm going to clean this up first, and then I'm going to mount this on and then glue some of it around, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. So that is the finished product, guys. That's what it looks like. It is a little bulky here on the sides, as you can see, but it's better than my other one, at least for now. I might get another one, like maybe a sway one. I'm not really a fan of this, and we'll see. So thanks to 6Speed though for hooking us up with this. I also got some other goodies in here, but we got a 6Speed sticker because we are sponsored by 6Speed now. We got a level 1 sponsor, so I'm gonna go throw this on the back of the car. All my other stickers. I think right there is a good place to put it. Real quick. Boom. Got 5 more horsepower added. So that's it, guys. Just a quick little video how to change out a shift boot. And until next time, guys. Peace.